Hey guys, welcome back to another fun educational episode of AI Defined. I, of course, am your host, John Lee of thecontentmarketingking.com, and today I'm here to help you define NLP, or Natural Language Processing. Natural Language Processing, or NLP, is an area of computer science and artificial intelligence devoted entirely to studying how humans and computers interact in terms of language. This does things like processing an incredibly large amount of natural human language in order to be able to parse it, create syntax, sentiment, and meaning. There are 4 areas of natural language processing. When it comes to defining NLP, there are 4 important parts that you want to pay attention to. The first is syntax. Syntax is all about figuring out what parts of speech the language is using and tagging them. So that's things like nouns, verbs, pronouns, etc. After syntax, you have semantics, and semantics is all about meaning. That's where things like Google Translate, machine translation, optical character recognition, and sentiment and relationship mapping come from figuring out what the meaning is. Then we have discourse, and discourse is all about summarization and resolution. That's things like automatic summarization of documents, conference resolution, which matches nouns and names and stuff like that. And then the 4th part is probably the part you're most familiar with, and that's voice recognition. So that's your things like your Siris and your Alexas. And you may not know this, but writers like Aaron Sorkin, who wrote The Social Network, A Few Good Men, etc., actually use speech-to-text programs. They don't even write anymore. They actually just speak their entire screenplays out, record them, and then use speech-to-text programs in order to write screenplays. So that is going to wrap it up for NLP. Natural language processing, all about humans interacting with language, analyzing massive amounts of information, and then using it to find sentiment, syntax, discourse, and voice recognition. That's all for this episode. Be sure to like this video, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, all that fun stuff. And we'll be back next week with another fun-filled and educational AI term defined. Thanks for watching.